This video is just one part of a series on do-it-yourself full-body dog grooming, so be sure to check out the other videos in this series. Hey dudes, it's Whitney and Chloe here from Doodle Doods, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to groom your dog's ears. Now I'm going to start on the ears. It's really important here that you make sure the blade is not hot, since the ears are more sensitive and you're dealing with thinner hair than the rest of the body. So what I do is get most of the hair off the ear with the clippers. As you can see, the hair is now pretty inconsistent on the ear, which is why I use scissors after to fine-tune and make it look like an ear again. Repeat along the rest of the ear to bring the shape back. Now I will work on the inside of the ear flap. It should go without saying that you need to be extra careful here since the skin is directly exposed. You will want to lay your scissors as flat as possible when working on the inside of the ear flap to prevent poking and injury. Actually, that's one reason why I love these particular grooming scissors. They have a rounded tip, so you can't really poke your dog and hurt them. I've linked to the scissors in the description below if you want to check them out. Like Chloe, your dog might find the ear canal hairs to be a bit ticklish, so just take extra care when working here. Stay tuned for the next video in this series on do-it-yourself full-body dog grooming. Thanks so much for watching! If you found this video valuable or enjoyable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Later, dudes!